Welcome to Simple Paper Aircraft. Today we'll show you guys how to make a very easy paper airplane, the Vulture. So to make the Vulture you need a printing paper. You can use letter size or you can use A4 paper. So let's start now. First step, I will fold the paper in half this way. Okay. And next I turn the paper this way so it's easier for me to fold this edge to the center crease. Okay, and I repeat the same step. Here we go. This is great if you have a gap between the two triangle shapes here. Okay, and I turn the paper this way. Then next I will start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Alright, and I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, next I will turn the paper over. Okay, then I'll start from this tip, I'll fold it to the bottom. I use the center crease as a reference. Okay, just put it down like this. Here we go. And I open the paper. I start from the tip here, I fold it to the crease here. There we go. Pretty good. Then just fold this part out. Then I turn the paper over. Okay. I start from this edge, I fold it to the center crease. Okay. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Perfect. And then I fold the paper in half like this. Right. Then I will create a wing. Right. I'll just estimate about half an inch from the tip here along this edge. Just fold this part out. Okay. And then I will estimate about 1 inch from this edge along this edge. Okay. I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, then I'll open the paper. Remember to curve the wing up first before you actually throw it. Okay, and then next I just fold the end of the wing up a little bit to create an elevator. And repeat the same step for the other side of the wing. Here we go. So this is the Vulture, and check it out. If you think this paper airplane is really good, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.